Quick, easy, and delicious pasta with sausage. Let's start the recipe by adding 500 grams of pasta to a pot with water and a pinch of salt. Next, stir to ensure even cooking and let it cook for 15 minutes. For this recipe, we'll also use 500 grams of sausages, cutting them into slices just like I'm doing. Choose high-quality sausages because it makes all the difference in the final flavor. Now place them in a pot, add water to cover, and cook for 15 minutes. This process softens the sausages and makes them ready to absorb the sauce later. We'll also use half an onion, slicing it and then chopping it into small pieces. Now, in a pan, add olive oil. Next, we'll add 2 cloves of garlic and the chopped onion. Mix everything well to sauté the ingredients. At this point, add the sausages and mix again. Now add 400 grams of tomato sauce, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. If you like, you can also add a bit of black pepper for a special touch. Whenever I make this recipe at home, there's never any left. My family loves it and always asks for more. Now, cover the pan and let the sauce cook for 15 minutes as well. After that, stir again to make sure everything is perfectly combined. I'm sure you'll be amazed by this recipe. In a serving dish, first, add all the pasta we cooked, followed by the sausage sauce. Oh, and before I forget, let me know which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Karen from California. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. Once we've added everything, mix well, and our recipe is ready to serve. Look how delicious our dish looks. I'm sure you'll love making it at home. It's absolutely wonderful. To enhance the flavor, we'll finish by adding Parmesan cheese on top. Don't skimp on the Parmesan. It adds the perfect finishing touch to the dish. This recipe is truly amazing and much better than anything you'll find at restaurants. Once you've made it at home, come back here and let me know how it turned out. I'd love to hear. Tell me if you've ever had a dish this delicious. I'm sure you'll love it when you try it at home. It's incredible how, with just a few common ingredients, we can create something so tasty and quick. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.